Well, first of all, categorically, I will say we did not release any video. Hindi sa amin yun. So actually, right now, we will ask coordination with the person na nakapag-release niyan. Baka probably they can provide us the copy so we can compare it with the CCTV na meron kami. So yung sinasabing ba't hindi nag-release sa kanila, we cannot because we are guided by Memorandum Circular 48 ng DOJ na hindi namin pwedeng i-release. No? But the thing is, nandiyan yung CCTV na yan, it's subject to verification and authentication.
So, sir, sabi ni Attorney Mark Tolentino, this is all just a trial by publicity. Kasi yun nga sabi ni Ate Zia, pinakita sila ng screenshot sa labas ng restaurant. Pero apparently, merong CCTV daw sa loob, parang something like that. So, this is all just a trial by publicity.
Well, it doesn't matter anymore. Ang kailangang malaman natin ngayon is kung yung lumabas sa CCTV, parehas nung meron kami. Ngayon, kung parehas yan, then merong ebidensya talaga. Hindi pala botete yung ebidensya. Di ba? May lumalabas talaga na ebidensya. No? Now that the CCTV is there, then mas maganda nga for them dahil they can react, they can make their reaction. But apparently, the way they are reacting, parang nagagalit sila na ba't may lumalabas yung CCTV.
Kasi po ang claim nila, hindi naman porket nakita sa CCTV, may criminal activity na.
Well, that is correct. So, dapat hindi ka siguro umiyak na ba't lumabas yung CCTV. Anyway, tama ka naman. Hindi naman may criminal activity. Sabi ko nga palagi, everybody is presumed to be innocent. Hindi ko nga sinasabing may crime na unless proven otherwise. So, itong mga CCTV na to, these are all will form part ng evidence kung ano yung dating kasong pupuntahan or kung ano yung dapat puntahan. But it just shows na mayroong mga lumulutang na ganyang ebidensya.
Sir, yung inilabas na video, kasama ba yun sa hawak niyo sa ngayon?
I cannot confirm that dahil sabi ko nga, hindi naman kami naglalabas. But ang sasabihin ko lang, yung CCTV, kung lumabas yan publicly, pag nasa public place ka, like nandito tayo ngayon, we will all be captured by CCTV. We have reasonable expectation dapat sa ating right to privacy.
Doon po yung isa sa mga abogado ay abogado ni dating ako bilang representative sa Altico. Paano ito tinitignan ng NBI? Mas dumadami pa ang personalities sa yung na-info?
Well, ang gulo yan, no? That's a different angle. Pero ang mas tinitingnan namin dito kasi, yung participation tomorrow, darating sana, dumating yung 4 na lawyers na sinaupi na namin. Pero yung isang surprising sa amin na yesterday, yung dumating na abogado, nagpakilala na from the law office ng Rondain in Mindiola. Pero nung sumulat sila to represent Congressman sa Leandro Libiste, iba yung pinapakita na pangalan ng lawyer. Hindi ginamit yung letterhead ng Rondain in Mindiola. So, those are the things that pagsasama-samahin namin para yung mga ebidensya talaga kung mayroong kailangan na pananagutan, makuha namin lahat ito.
Para malinaw, tomorrow sila pupunta.
Dapat bukas, yun yung sampina nila na pinadala. Oo. NCR, ako. Ang lead dito na investigation is ang NCR.
Sir, sino po yung mga lawyers na yun?
Well, I will not mention the names anymore, but it all belongs to one law office. Lumabas naman na yan Minention na yung attorney ni alias Kenyan
How would you describe, attorney, yung statements kahapon ng attorney ni Jane Paras? Na sinabi nila na protete daw yung mga ebidensya na hindi. Was it too cocky?
That is their prerogative. They can call it whatever it is, but we will call an evidence as an evidence.
Sir, Attorney Mark said they will be invited again. Will the CCTV footages be shown to them eventually?
Well, sabi ko nga, we are in no obligation to show any CCTV or ilabas yan. So that will be the discretion of the investigating officer.
Again, sir, ito, tagal naman na, no? Parang si Attorney Ferdinand Topacio said that you are weaponizing the Bureau to again attack the rivals of the administration.
The simple answer is, ang prinsipyo ng Bureau, no one is above the law. So kung sino man nagkamali dyan, ay ating pananagutin. Katunayan, I came from the meeting, we will be investigating a big case na ang mananagot ay hindi nagkikriticize kung sakasaling mapatunayan, ay hindi nagkikriticize sa administrasyon, kundi more so, parte pa ng administrasyon. So, parehas po ang NBI dito.
Sir, you mentioned
Importante yan because it will determine their liability or their answerability sa batas at saka sa Code of Professional Responsibility and as a lawyer, yung oath of attorney nila.
Sir, you mentioned before na si ES magpapadala ng mga abogado sa NBI
NBI? Nagpadala na sila, sir?
That is after the investigation. When we close the investigation because they want to look into the responsibility or kung ano yung pwedeng maging legal actions nila.
Sir, are they already standing as like the complainant for this case or no?
Wala pa. Pinag-aaralan pa. They will make their decision pagkatapos lumabas yun, matapos ang investigasyon ng NBI.
Sir, sa dagdag po ni Atty. Topacio, sabi niya, parang may conclusion na daw ang NBI na hindi pa tapos ang investigasyon.
Wala pa namang conclusion. That's why we're giving them the opportunity na magsalita. Pero sinasabi ko lang na there's strong indication because yung mga ebidensya will point towards a direction of responsibility ng mga taong nandiyan dyan.
Sir, may information kayo kung nakabalik na ng Pilipinas si Pang Mendes?
Wala pa. Wala pa kami information kung bumalik na siya. I think yung latest na information namin, he is asking for 12 countries to visit. At yung kanya namang si Senator naman, ang last na information is asking for extension of health leave.
Record yung abogado po ni Congressman Reviste ay identified po pala na yung para sa law firm na kasama po sa restaurant. Ano po yung bigat po no, sir? Given na lahat ng mga personalities ito ay aking minister.
Well, makita lang natin yung connection but we have to establish kung ano talaga yung real connection for us to know kung ano yung responsibilities na isa't isa. So the investigation will continue and we will also request the person who came out with the video sa social media na probably if we can share it to us or we can part of the investigation also.
Sir, if hindi darating yung apat bukas, kung sakali lang, sir, ano kung mangyayari tuloy yung investigation?
We'll continue with the investigation and we'll process the evidence kung ano yung hawak namin.
So yung isang babae sa video, kiniklaim po nung kabila na yun daw po yung babaeng ES. Doon sa ano lang nila.
Well, yun ang walang ebidensya. Baka yun ang butete na ebidensya. That is a claim.
Pero yung
Okay.
na lawyer,